Hi, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background to Zoom meeting. So that will personalize and will upgrade the quality of your meeting and will make it special and also a work of art. That tool will open your meeting toward a high meeting quality. So to do that, you just need to do a few steps. Let's get right in. First, you just need to sign in to your app, Zoom Workplace, or on the website zoom.us. Once you are in, what you're gonna do is to go to your picture, click on it, and then go into settings. Alright, so here, alright, okay, there is another way that you can get into, and easier one that you can get into the settings. You will just click on the gear here on the top right corner, and then you will get into this window. Alright, once you get into this window, you just need to go into background and effects, click on background and effects. Alright, so once you click on background and effects, you can here change the virtual background from that one, and also you can add an image or a video to put on the background of Zoom meeting. You can choose one. For example, we'll choose that one. Alright, so that's, as I told you, will personalize and will make your meeting special. So guys, that's how you can add background to Zoom meeting, and I guess that's the end of the video. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and see you next video. Bye bye.